It's not complicated. It's actually quite straightforward and simple. Just listen to my speech, and after the speech, please take a look on a presentation, a very short one that I prepared, explaining about all costs associated with buying and selling condo in Thailand. Again, it's not complicated, it's simple. Enjoy the video. When buying an old condo, a second-hand condo, there is only one cost associated with this purchase, and this is transfer ownership fee paid in land department. This is 2% of the tax assessment price that is usually a way lower than actual price that you pay for your condo. Transfer ownership fee is usually shared between buyer and seller 50-50, but this is subject to negotiation. But the normal case is when buyer and seller share this cost. If you buy a new condo, you will be asked also to pay a sinking fund. Sinking fund, it's usually a cost of few hundred baht per square meter of your specific unit, and this is a fund that is used by owners of the units in your condominium for general repair or upgrade of the building. Again, this is a one-time payment of few hundred baht per square meter that is only done when you purchase a new condominium, usually from developer. When you buy a leasehold property, a cost of registration of your leasehold property is 1% of the valuation price of your unit. 1% instead of 2% when you buy your condo in a freehold ownership. And that's all. As a buyer, you don't need to pay any other costs when purchase condo in Thailand. If you ask to participate in other costs, please be aware that this is something unusual, and we very much recommend to get an advice from lawyer or from professional agency. When you sell your condo or sell your property in Thailand, you actually pay a bit more. There is a specific business tax associated with the sale of your property, and this tax is actually depends on the assessment value, tax assessment value of your property. It depends on your personality, your personal data, and it depends on a time that you own this property. It can be from zero if you own your property more than 5 years, up to maximum of 3.5%. If there is no specific business tax, you usually will pay stamp duty, that is 0.5% of the assessment value of your property. Once you sell your property, we still recommend you to get advice with your legal attorney or with your accountant, or you can actually speak with a professional agency. What we do in REMAX CondoDee, before somebody wants to sell property with us, we can calculate exact cost of transfer ownership for the seller, and we do it in cooperation with the land department in Thailand. After my speech here, you will see a short presentation about all the costs and taxes associated with buying and selling property in Thailand. It will be in more legal terms, and still I would like to say you that our videos are only for information purposes, and we don't give any legal or financial advice. Especially if you are a buyer, we recommend you put a bit more attention on your expenses for selling your property, in order to avoid surprises of paying high cost of taxes when you sell your property. But when you buy your property in Thailand. Again, you pay only one transfer fee, that is 2% of the tax assessment value of your condo, that is usually lower than actual price, and you share usually 50% with a seller. If you buy a new condo from developer, you may be asked to pay also a sinking fund, that is a one-time payment of few hundred baht per square meter, and that's all. It's not complicated, it's straightforward, and usually you get a good support from agencies that offer you property. We recommend you use services of a broker in Thailand, especially you should pick a good one. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I check periodically, and it's only less than 30% of viewers of our channel actually subscribe. We very much appreciate your support. We very much appreciate your emails and telephones that we received after our videos. But please push the subscribe button. It will help us a lot with the promotion of our video on YouTube. If you like our videos, don't forget to push a like button. We recommend to push a bell to get alerts about new videos. Thank you very much. Please leave a comment what you want to hear about Thailand property market. If you want to see some specific projects, or you would like to get some advice about real estate law or taxes or whatever in Thailand, please leave a comment or send us email, WhatsApp, whatsoever. Contact details here on the screen. Have a good day, and most important, stay healthy and safe. Bye.